Hi, we're working on the think page today. If you do not have this page in your packet, then you can look at the cut and paste activity on the other video. For the think page, we're going to answer 3 questions today. Number 1, who helps you when you are sick? Number 2, would you like to be a hospital worker? Why? And number 3, what helps you feel better? Why? Let's answer number 1. So I'm going to write my answers, but if your answers are different, you can write your own. If you agree with my answers or that's how you feel as well, you're more than welcome to copy my answers. Feel free to pause the video if I'm going too quickly. And for those with an AAC or your talker, you can also use that on the iPad or your talker to write these sentences. Okay? Number 1, who helps you when you are sick? So we're going to put the question in the answer. So I'm going to write, when I am sick. You can write that. When I am sick, who helps me? When I'm sick, my mom helps me. And I'm going to bring it a little further. I'm going to say, by bringing me food. So when I am sick, my mom helps me by bringing me food. So I don't live with my mom anymore, but if she hears that I'm sick, she'll come on over and she'll bring me food. She'll make sure that I'm resting. She'll call me to make sure I'm okay, right? My mom, or a parent in general, maybe it's your dad, maybe it's your grandma, maybe it's an aunt or an uncle or an older brother, older sister, younger brother, younger sister, and lots of different people can help you when you're sick, and they can do different things to help you. Some might bring you food, some might make sure that you're comfortable, you're laying down, some might, if you're feeling really hot, put something on your head to make you feel better. Lots of ways to make you feel better. Number 2, would you like to be a hospital worker? Why? So hospital workers are like doctors, nurses, pharmacists, therapists, like a physical therapist, occupational therapist, speech therapist, respiratory therapist, lots of therapists. Some people work in the office and like a secretary, the custodians. So if you'd like to be any of those. So I'm going to start with mine. I would like to be a hospital worker because I like to help people feel better. So for me, I would say, would you like to be a hospital worker? Why? I would like to be a hospital worker because I like to help people feel better. Some people, if they're not feeling well, they go to the hospital to see if someone can find out what's wrong with them, if they can give them some medicine or something that'll make them feel back to normal. And so hospital workers are really good about that. Number 3, what helps you feel better? Why? So I'm going to say something that makes me feel better is, sorry if you can't see that, let me write the next one. Something that makes me feel better is resting and sleeping when I am sick because, actually let me write, something that makes me feel better is sleeping when I'm sick because I need to rest. There you go. Okay. What helps you feel better? Why? Something that helps me feel better. Oh, let me write helps. It's a better one. Me feel better when is sleeping when I am sick because I need to rest. Sorry, this sentence, I'm not happy with how I wrote it. Something that helps me feel better when Okay, there you go. Something that helps me feel better when I am sick is sleeping because I need to rest. So if I'm feeling really sick, I just want to lay there. I don't want to do anything. I just need to rest. I need to sleep, um, and maybe read a book. Just take it easy. Not, go out, take a run, or do anything, that takes too much energy. So let's review our answers. Number one, who helps you when you are sick? When I am sick, my mom helps me by bringing me food. Number two, would you like to be a hospital worker? Why? I would like to be a hospital worker because I like to help people feel better. Three, what helps you feel better? Why? Something that helps me feel better when I am sick is sleeping because I need to rest.